This week we're going to learn our 12 times tables. The first thing I'm going to do is write out the multiples for 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. Now you can see here I've got 6 12s, which is the same as 6 times 12. Now I'm going to use the multiples for 12 to work out the answer. So 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60, and 6 12s are 72. So 6 times 12 is 72. Again, here I've got 4 12s, which is 4 times 12. And now let's count the 12s. 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, and 4 12s are 48. So 4 times 12 equals 48. Today we're going to work out the time after a given time duration. Use the timeline to show the time that is 45 minutes after 3:36 p.m. I'm going to use my timeline to work this out. Now because it's after, I'm going to jump to the right from 3:36. And I'm going to jump 45 minutes. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in tens. Okay, so it's my minute of 10 that's going to change. So now I've got 3:46 and I've got 35 minutes left to jump. Jump another 10 to 3:56 and now I've got 25 minutes left to jump. Now I'm going to jump to the O clock after 3:56, which is 4 o'clock. How many minutes from 3:56 to 4 o'clock? It's 4 minutes. So now I've got 21 minutes left to jump. Now for my last jump I can just add 21 minutes, which gives me 4:21. So the time is 4:21. 45 minutes after 3:36 is 4:21. You can check by adding up the minutes that you've jumped and they should be 45 minutes. Now let's look at 22 hours and 15 minutes before 6:05 p.m. Now because it's before, I'm going to jump to the left. And my 6:05 p.m. will be at the end of my timeline. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jump my hours. So let's underline my hour digit there. So if we subtract 1 hour, so 1 hour before is 5:05, another hour is 4:05. So now I've jumped my 2 hours before. Now I've got 15 minutes to jump. So let's look at the minutes and let's jump 5 minutes before. What does that give us? 4 o'clock. Now I've got 10 minutes to jump. What is 10 minutes before 4 o'clock? Can you work it out? Yes, it's 3:50, so it goes to the hour before 4. Okay, so 2 hours and 15 minutes before 6:05 is 3:50 p.m. Holly takes half an hour to walk from home to school. She arrives at school at 8:25 a.m. At what time did she leave home? Okay, so before I start, I'm going to label my half an hour. I'm going to write it as minutes. What's half an hour as minutes? It's 30 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to use my timeline to work it out. Now, she arrives at school at 8:25 a.m. So the school is going to be at the end of the timeline and home will be at the beginning. So the 8:25 a.m. will be at the end. And we need to find out what time she left home. So we are going to have to jump back. Okay. So I'm going to start with a minus 25 jump. Okay. Jumping to the O clock, which is 8 o'clock. How many more minutes do we have left to jump from 8 o'clock? And what time will that give us? Ali and Safa want to start a new class. There are 2 classes to choose from. So we've got the jewellery class and the drama class. They both went to the drama class. So I'm going to put an arrow there. They finished at 6:20 p.m. What time did their class start? Okay, so we need to work out how long it lasts, which is 70 minutes. So I'm going to highlight that. Okay, and then I'm going to use my timeline. Now they finished at 6:20 p.m. So where do you think that will go on our timeline? It will go at the end of the timeline. So we are going to jump back to find the start time. And we are going to jump back 70 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to look at my minutes, digits. What could my first jump be? Let's jump to the o'clock. How many minutes is that? I've jumped back 20 minutes. Okay, so I've got 50 minutes left to jump. Can you work it out? What time does their class start?